Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how you can save all your prints and photos simultaneously while the event is going on a USB, so that way you're able to give the client the USB at the end of the event and don't have to wait for the prints and photos to download to your USB at the end of the event. So it saves some time. I'm going to go into my darkroom. And I'm just going to hit the trial, continue trial. And so the only difference between the trial and the activation is that I like to use a trial on a separate computer. This way I'm able to set up my template separately and just have it ready for the event and just upload it to my photo booth separately. But for this tutorial, we're going to go and show you the output and the originals tabs here. So what you're going to do is connect a USB here. So I already connected a USB. And then we're going to go into the folders, select your USB, and it's empty right now. So I'm going to right click and go to new folder, and I'm just going to create one for prints. And then same process, create one for photos. So now I got my two folders there. So I'm going to exit out of here. So in the program, you're going to set up your output one. And if you go to browse, you're going to find that prints folder that you created in the USB. Make sure that's highlighted, hit OK. OK. So now all the prints will be saved on the USB. Same process for the originals. Click the folder here, hit OK. OK. So now with these two boxes checked, simultaneously all the pictures, all the prints will be saved onto the output one, and all the individual photos will be saved onto the photos folder that you created in the USB. If you didn't do this step, then at the end of the event, you're going to have to wait and save all the photos and the prints, which can take some time if you're at your event for a long time. So if I go to my prints, then I'm going to have to select them all, go to your print drop down, and then copy them. Same process, but this time you're just going to have to stand there and wait for the prints to upload to your USB. So after that's done, then you're going to have to go to your photos. Same thing, wait for all those to upload. So this saves a lot of time, because then all you have to do after the event's over is just eject the USB here and then just give it to the client. Saves a lot of time. You're able to wrap up your photo booth and head home for the night. So hopefully you learned a new trick here. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll be making more of these little quick tip tutorials. So I'll see you in the next one.